Hi, my name is Emma Barnes, and I'm the teen librarian here at the Guilford Free Library. Welcome to our summer reading program. I'm just going to go over just how to navigate your way through our Choose Your Own Adventure, just in case the instructions that you were given just don't really make much sense. So on the first day of the summer reading program, you are going to be sent an email from the Guilford Library Teen account, and it's going to look something similar to this. I actually have it already opened, so I'm going to go over here. So basically, this is what we're calling your title page of your Choose Your Own Adventure. So just talks a little bit about some helpful hints for you guys, that kind of thing. And you can read that on your own, but you're just going to click here to begin. So this is your first page of your Choose Your Own Adventure. So essentially, the premise of your story is that it's a super hot day in the summer. You're riding your bike around the green, and you go into the library just to cool down, get some AC. And you go up to the historical room, and you're on your phone, but then you see this small door, and it says Archives, Authorized Readers Only. So here you can see you have three choices on how you want your story to progress. So you can either open the door and step inside, knock first, or turn around and go back to the main library. So you can see that all of them are linked. So for the purpose of this, I'm just going to click the first one and I'm going to open the door. So then it's going to take me to the next slide or the next page in your Choose Your Own Adventure. And you're essentially just going to do this throughout the entire story. So from here, if I wanted to climb the staircase of floating books, I would click that and then it's going to bring me to the next page. Another thing I just want to point out within our Choose Your Own story, there are going to be pages that have different riddles, puzzles, that kind of thing. And if you solve those, you can earn raffle tickets for our summer reading raffle at the end of the summer reading game. So this is an example right here. If a text is linked throughout the page, that's going to be a link to a puzzle or a riddle. So I'm just going to click this just to show you guys. And we're just going to say okay to that. So basically this riddle or puzzle essentially is about the Harry Potter series. And you basically have to complete a jigsaw puzzle, which will reveal a page of a Harry Potter book, and then use this book cipher below to figure out what my favorite book is in the Harry Potter series. And then you're just going to submit your answer, and then the next page is going to ask for your full name and what prize bundle you want your raffle ticket to go towards, and then you're just going to hit submit. That's basically the premise of the summer reading program. There are so many pages throughout the Choose Your Own Adventure, and each page is going to have a very different plot line, different puzzles, riddles, that kind of thing. So I hope you have a lot of fun. If you have any questions outside of this tutorial, or if something I said doesn't make any sense, feel free to email me. My email is teenlibrarian@guilfordfreelibrary.org, or feel free to give us a call or just come into the library and I can answer any of your questions. Hope to see you this summer, and thanks for watching. Bye.